Instead of hanging out, bro, you're finally on the line.
Dude, just start asking me questions. Fuck this.
All right, give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Where's the go?
Go.
Jeb, if you can do me a favor, put the right foot in front so your face faces the camera.
Fuck no, I can't.
Okay.
I can't do it. I'll tilt my head.
What farm animal is your spirit animal?
My pet pig, Wilbur. He's my pet animal love of my life. I miss that pig.
Take a step.
I'm scared.
You got a new song out, Lifeline.
Fuck yeah.
Do you find it somewhat ironic that you're now in a position where your literal lifeline is
Fuck
a line?
off. Fuck off.
Take a step, Jeb.
Holy shit.